Hi guys, today we see about resume preparation tips. So what are the points we need to do so that our resume will be shortlisted by the HR. The first point, whether the resume will be with one page or two page. So better go with the single page, that will be good. There will be lot of platform available to prepare a one page resume, like example Canva. You can use Canva and you can create a one page template with your image as well as with your proper content, everything. So in your resume you have to mention the proper keywords. For example, if you try Java developer opening, you can go with the core Java, J2EE, then with the framework Spring, Stretch, Hibernate. This is one example I am telling. So with these keywords, for example, you can see a lot of openings in the companies and you can see the skills, what type of skills they are asking. If you use these keywords, you can be able to shortlist by the HR. So not only with the degree certificate, you have to do the course completion certificate from Besant Technologies, as well as you have to do project in your resumes, as well as you have to mention I have around 3 years or 4 years or 6 month intern experience. If you keep your profile, it will be shortlisted by the HR. So most of the HRs looking for not only the degree completed students, whether they completed certification, whether they completed project, whether they done any intern. If you do all in your profile with the proper keywords, you will definitely shortlist by the HR. Thank you guys.